A good day from the Chardon Weather Center. This week in weather, I'm going to present to you some information on how to plan your week ahead, especially from this area here in the Ohio Valley, right into my good friends in the Mid-Atlantic, and even a couple of friends I have up toward New England. Today on Sunday, we have cold air in the Ohio Valley, of course, and colder air moving in and settling in Mid-Atlantic, and a storm moving up and away from New England, which promises to bring parts of Maine 6 to 12 inches plus of snow today. And that's about it for today, and it's going to be a very chilly night for many on the East Coast. Monday presents us with a mild warm-up for the Ohio Valley. Still rather chilly along the East Coast, and it's going to be a bit windy up in northern New England with that storm moving out into the Canadian provinces and headed towards Greenland and away from Greenland. That's about it for that. On Tuesday, we have a cool front moving in towards Chicago with its eyes on the Ohio Valley and, of course, the Mid-Atlantic, and that'll be over the next couple of days. By Thursday, the cool front with its associated moisture and rains will be into the Philadelphia, Delaware Valley area up into New York State, with cold, unsettled weather moving in with a deeper trough into the Ohio Valley, which could present some problems with wintry precipitation, which will have to be ironed out over the next few days, whether or not we see any type of white stuff here in Chardon. Right here we have Friday, and it should be clearing up it pretty much in the Ohio Valley with some leftover showers perhaps in southern Ohio, and more rain eastern PA, and perhaps a touch of snow out in western New York and western PA. Here we go on Saturday. The pattern's kind of flattened out, but we do see up here a rather vigorous high pressure system with its eyes headed down this way, and that's going to present us some more weather difficulties next week. And I just want to point out something to you. This is the GFS model that I've used for my demonstration and my weather for this coming week. I want to allude to one more thing before I leave you this week. Okay, this right here is the upper level pattern for the GFS and the European models. Right here is the GFS pattern in 10 days, and this right here is the Euro pattern for 10 days. This is from the midnight run of the Weather Service from last night, and I just want to point out to you that that persistent Gulf of Alaska trough, which was causing us to have a rather flat pattern for the most part for the past 2 or 3 weeks, has finally migrated westward, as we can see here and see over here. And the implications for that is that we get a ridge building up in the west, also here on the west, with a trough moving down into the east. Larry Cosgrove and Joe Bastardi both allude to the fact that we should be seeing a colder than average normal November, and that bodes well for many who like snow, especially if you live in the northern areas of the country. So thank you so much for joining me from the Chardon Weather Center.